Buying a home can be one of your biggest purchases made in your life. So where do you even begin to apply for a home mortgage loan? In this video, I'll share with you 3 ways you can apply for a home mortgage loan. Number 1 is in person. There's no better way to meet your lender, shake hands, and just really share your story on how you want to be a homeowner and just understand the process. Number 2 is over the phone. Some of the questions that you would expect for me to be asking from you to qualify for this home loan is, where have you been working for the last 2 years? What is your income? What is your current salary? Are you receiving a pay stub? Are you self-employed? Have you been on the job for at least 2 years or in the same industry for that length of time? How much money do you have to apply towards this down payment? So I'm going to be asking questions about your assets. You know, what's in your bank account? What do you have in your 401k, stocks, Bitcoins? Whatever that may look like. It's critical to ask these questions in an application because that's only going to help you determine how much you do qualify for so you can begin your home search process. And then number 3 is going to my Apply Now link below. This will notify me real time that, hey, James, you came onto my site, you expressed interest that you're looking to purchase, refinance, you know, whatever that is, and I get notified to real time. I'll be reaching out to you, someone from my team, within the next 24 to 48 hours on the necessary income docs that I will be collecting to submit your file in for approval. Once you have completed your application, this can, you know, either give me a system generated approval or let me know what things are needed to proceed with a pre-approval. To begin your loan application process, you can do so by clicking on the link below in the description. My name is Candy Katz, helping you finance your next home. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you at the next one.